How you doing? It's Leo from Parkway Mazda and Kia. I'm going to be showing you how to control your AC unit from the vehicle.
So I'm going to be showing you how to control your AC unit from the vehicle. So we want to make sure your vehicle is on and running. You go to your climate section in the screen. As you can see, it says off on both sides, so you can control them from both sides. If you want to turn the AC unit on, you just go to the blue one, which stands for cold air. You can drop the temperature down as much as you like, or if you want to turn it up once it's cold outside. You also have regular AC and your max AC, so that automatically turns your AC to the coolest temperature. Let me turn this down a little bit. And if you would like the air to not be blowing, all you have to do is close these down and up, and the AC unit will stop blowing air from that section.
And that is how you control your AC units in the vehicle. If you have any further questions, just contact me. Thank you.